report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
Well, we are finally waking up to clear skies this morning, though I just hope you have an extra warm blanket because we are waking up to some cold conditions this morning. Taking a live look outside right now, especially in Julian and Ramona, we woke up below freezing just an hour ago. Thankfully, it is starting to warm up, and over in the coast, things are starting to clear up. So if you took your Christmas vacation early on during the week, the good news is if you're planning to come back today, we are going to have some clear sky conditions, though if you're taking your New Year's Eve vacation early, you might encounter some issues if you come back this coming weekend. Also, now's a good time to remind folks, if you plan on heading to the water, I know it is chilly out there, to wait at least 3 days before the storm is passed because some bacteria and other nasty stuff can be in the water close to when the storm passed. We are seeing a pattern shift with the wind speeds. There is also a high wind warning in effect until Tuesday afternoon because we are seeing those winds turn offshore. Those Santa Ana winds will return, bringing those winds from the desert all the way to the coast, and the gusts are starting to pick up, especially for the foothill and mountain communities. Because we just came from rain, the ground is still saturated, and combined with the high wind speeds, there is the risk of downed trees, especially in the foothill and mountain areas, so definitely want to keep that in mind if you live near those areas. By New Year's Day, more rain is possible in the forecast, so we're going to continue to track that trend there. Temperatures currently, though, we are really chilly in Escondido, 40 degrees there, close to freezing, just really throughout the county, mid-40s along our coast, 41 degrees in El Cajon. But as we progress into the afternoon hours, temperatures are going to warm up significantly, anywhere from the mid-60s along the coast, 70 degrees in Escondido, 50 degrees in Julian, and then upper 60s in the desert areas. Taking a look at the rest of the county, 73 degrees in Santee, 65 degrees in Alpine. Like I mentioned, you can see by the red arrows and by these areas in purple and pink that those gusts are going to start to pick up, especially by Monday afternoon. So Monday into Tuesday, things are going to warm up. It's going to dry up because of that high pressure system moving into the region, bringing those Santa Ana winds. And then as we progress into later on Tuesday afternoon, you can see those wind speeds start to pick up again as well. As we take a look at your 7-day rain chance, you can see more clearly when we can expect those chances of rain, especially by Wednesday into Thursday. That's when we can possibly expect the first raindrops. So that's definitely something to keep in mind just in time for New Year's Eve celebrations, especially if you plan to head out to the Big Bay Boom. It might impact your view along the bay. And so as we take a look at the futurecast right now, though, you can see how clear things are going to be for the next few days. But by Tuesday afternoon, that's when you can expect those clouds to enter the area once again. And finally, in your 7-day forecast, you can see those temperatures are going to start to recover by early this week before we get those chances of rain Wednesday into Thursday.
Skycam Views, sponsored by Carlsbad Solar.